At Viewrail, we design, engineer, and fabricate our products right here in the U.S. We're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how it's all done.
Now, while Dan is building to only 1 degree, those of you that understand math will understand that that short little lever that Dan has, 1 degree is sufficient. But we have to hold 1/10 of a degree on the overall length of the stairway. Because maybe Elson can run the numbers real quick and know on a 20-foot stringer how much of a difference 1/10 of a degree makes. But it's a pretty significant number. So we have to keep this machine calibrated, and the quality of the rollers and the flatness of the rollers makes a big difference in what the quality of that stairway is going to end up being. So we spend a lot of time making sure that this machine right here stays in really good shape. So this next red machine, as you're snaking through here, this is a CNC mill that has a long bed of travel. I think it's 21, 22 feet of travel. So the stringer tube is put on here, and it doesn't drill holes, but it forms holes. And so it will come down to the metal, it will heat the metal, and it will push through and move the metal. But it actually moves the material, and it creates a flange. So since this is only 3/16 thick, when we push and move the material, it'll make a 1/2 inch thick flange that we then can tap and get a lot more thread engagement. That way we're able to have a lightweight piece that's able to be carried in.